that was a close one. Okay, hold on there. Hold on. Oh, okay, let's go, let's go. It's supposed to be calling for rain today, but let's see what happens. It does look like it's coming in. Oh, that was a close one. Okay, hold on there. Hold on. Oh, okay, let's go, let's go. That was a close one. Alright, where we going now? Yeah, that car and bike came pretty close. Pretty wild, but it's exciting out here. New York pizza. Oh, that's the Vietnamese clothing store. Oh, you mean that side? Yeah, but I don't want to walk around those cars. Yeah, it's pretty wild out here. Oh, here it is. Yesterday I went looking for roast duck, but I ended up with a roast pork. So let me see what's going on today. Do we just sit? Yeah. Oh, sit down, okay? Okay.
Sit anywhere?
Yeah, okay.
Qua bản về.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure. Oh, there they go. Yep, this is where all the food. Look like that's papaya salad too, but I'm not sure. I just saw a picture in there. Although it's pretty close to Thailand. Yeah, look like the rain is coming in. It's supposed to be a downpour. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get back in time here. Yeah, it is super windy. It's good. Yep, rain is on its way. Alright, we're all done here and rings are coming in. Let's go. Okay. Oh, this is I walked by here so many times I didn't realize it was a gas station. Are we supposed to go? You made it? We're here. Do my little night walk now. I'm trying to see this spot. I'm not sure what it's called. I did see on the video. I'll probably write down the description once I Google it. Google it. Oh shit. you made it too, huh? That was interesting. So it's over here. So that's not it right there? Okay. Okay, so I think it's under construction right now. Well, I guess this is the end of the night. This is it. Looks like the place is under construction. Okay, we're across. Over there, same spot?
Yep. Mọi người không có đứa, ai comment cũng biết không là đứa.
Well, that is it. It's a wrap.